So you're all ready to start pressure washing, but it's not working. Here are some common issues that could be happening and how to quickly fix them. If your pressure washer isn't starting, this might be a really silly thing to check, but it happens all the time. Make sure that you plugged it in. Speaking of being plugged in, a lot of pressure washers come with something called a GFCI. It's just a protective mechanism since we are working with electricity and water. If you hit that reset button on the GFCI and it's still not working, it may need to be replaced. Another common issue I hear all the time is that there's not enough pressure. It could be as simple as just checking your garden hose for any kinks or any holes or any blockages like that. Often air gets trapped in the lines and in the hose, which causes less pressure to come out of the pressure washer. In that situation, you want to run the hose and turn off the pressure washer. Make sure there's no nozzles or attachments on the wand, and you want to spray into the grass for 1 to 5 minutes, allowing any air to be pushed out. If you have a very long hose, chances are you're going to have more air stuck in that hose. Another reason why there might not be enough pressure is that maybe there's a leak in one of the connections. So check all your connections, see if there's any water coming out, check the filter, see if there's any sort of debris stuck in it, and you can just easily just rinse it out. If you have a leaky wand or you notice leaks happening at the different connection points of the pressure washer, this could be because your O-ring has completely dried up or there might be a crack in it. If the O-ring has gone bad, it does need to be replaced. Another frustrating problem is if you have a detergent tank but no detergent is coming out when you're spraying, this might be because you're using the wrong nozzle. You can also check the hose to make sure there's no kinks or blockages. But the most important thing is make sure you're using detergent that's appropriate for pressure washing. Hopefully we were able to fix what's going on with your pressure washer. If not, head to familyhandyman.com for more troubleshooting tips.